Good morning, Doctor. I'm from Group 2, and today we will present our Nexscholar enhancement project. Nexscholar is an AI powered research discovery platform that helps students, lecturers, and researchers connect based on research interests, academic profiles, collaboration opportunities. Our project focuses on enhancing the existing platform by improving its usability, AI matching features, and overall user engagement. So this is the Nexscholar homepage, which is the existing research discovery platform. So although Nexscholar already provides AI-assisted research matching, several usability issues still exist. Students often struggle to understand why certain supervisors are recommended, while lecturers find it difficult to efficiently compare potential research students. In addition, the current onboarding process relies mainly on text-based instructions, making it difficult for the new users to learn the system. The platform also lacks engagement features that encourage users to continue using the system after registration. So this is a screenshot of the matching page of the Nexscholar platform. This is also another example of the lecturer selection by the students. So our proposed solution. So to solve these problems, we divided our solution into four major enhancement areas. First, we improve AI matching by providing recommendation, explanations, readiness scores, and collaboration suggestions. Secondly, we introduce an interactive onboarding experience through guided walkthroughs, tool tips, and replay tutorials. Third, we enhance supervisor evaluation by adding advanced filtering, student comparison, and save or reject features with private notes. Finally, we introduce user engagement features such as achievement badges, personalized dashboards, and grant notifications to encourage continuous platform usage. Next. So, project management and development plan. So, to manage the development efficiently, our team adopted Scrum methodology and divided the project into three sprints over 21 days. Sprint 1 focused on the core AI matching and onboarding features. Sprint 2 introduced evaluation tools and engagement features, while Sprint 3 completed the remaining functionalities, including collaboration suggestions, replay tutorials, grant notifications, and save or reject actions. This iterative approach allowed us to deliver proposed enhancements in a structured and manageable way. So this is the our Gantt chart where the it clearly shows our task distribution over the three sprints. Thank you, Doctor.
Hello, my name is TEW JIE HONG. Now I'm going to show all the completed user stories in Epic 1. So for Epic 1, we have three user stories, which are US101, US102, and US103. So let's go to US101 first. So for US101, the student want to see the clear explanation of why this supervisor was recommended to them. So we have created this button called View Details. By clicking this button, it will show the match score, the percentage, and the H index, which is the metric to measure the citation impact, and also the open slots that are still available. And it will also show the research areas. So here are four sections explaining why this supervisor was recommended to them, which are research alignment, publication style, mentorship track record, and funding availability. So for the second one, the US102, the supervisor want to see the AI generated readiness score for each student. So we have created this section showing the AI score for each student. But we're not only focusing on the AI score, we also will display the GPA, the number of publications, academic performance, research experience, and also the proposal quality. And for the last one, which is the US103, the researchers want to receive weekly collaboration suggestions based on their research interests. So we have created this page and they can filter their partners by using these three fields. And other than that, they can also click this button, View Profile, to view the details for their future partners. And if they want to send the collaboration request, they can just simply click this Send Request button, and the request will be sent to their partners. So that's all for the Epic 1. Now my friend will be going to show the Epic 2.
I'm Brandon, and now I will be explaining on the features for Epic 2, which is interactive onboarding. So, the first user story for this Epic is to provide the user with a guided walkthrough. So, for example, as you can see in our system, here is a pop-up window which guides the users on how to submit their project information, how to review their recommended supervisors, and how to send supervision requests. So mainly we will be guiding on these three steps, and if the user wants to go back to anything, they can just press back and to just read and understand more on what this page is about. So if the users feels like they want to explore it on their own and they don't want to uh, waste their time in this walkthrough, they can just simply press skip tour. Alright, so for the second user story of this epic is a function for hover tooltips. So for this user story, the hover tooltips actually helps the user to understand on what is the metrics, the meaning for the metrics. Alright, for example, hover to AI readiness. I can know that AI readiness is about my overall profile strength for matching. Maybe safe profiles is supervisors I have shortlisted, applications, activity streaks. Alright. Then coming to over here, the hover tooltip actually helps me to see the CGPA for the specific person that I have selected, their readiness score, their amount of publications that they had done, and the badges they have achieved along in this system. Alright, so that's for hover tooltips. Then coming into the third user story, which is being able to replay the tutorials in case the user needs them. So it's actually very simple. It's at the supervisor match page. Then we have to press the help and tool, which allows the user to actually replay the tutorials on how to use this system. Alright, so then that's all for me, and my teammate next will be explaining more on our epic tree. Thank you.
Right, so now I'm going to demonstrate our Epic tree, which is the evaluation tool in our system. So as a supervisor in our system, they can filter and shortlist the candidates uh, efficiently based on their uh, academic metrics. So as we navigate our student request portal, you can see that our UI cleanly aggregates these metrics right on the candidates overview. Yeah, so as you can see, if let's say we want to see the details of Amara Ose, so it is shown that she has the GPA of 3.92 and 3 publications and a AI score of 87 over 100. Alright, so besides that, our Nexscholar system have the side-by-side comparisons of student feature. So as we navigate to the network directory portal, right, so our systems introduce an multi profile selections workflow. So if let's say the lecturer want to compare the details of three students, so we can just uh, choose three persons: Amara, Priya, Elif, and we can click this button compare now. So the platform opened the profile comparisons model. So rather than forcing the lecturer of memorize the numbers, our systems and our UI implements an automated intelligence layer. So the systems highlight the cells showing the leading value with a clear blue tab, which is here. So as you can see, Amara Ose get the highest uh, marks of, highest scores of this, which is 94 percent among these three students. Alright, so lastly, let's look at our executions with US 303. So once a supervisor has completed their evaluations, the systems provide the zero frictions, one-click decisions actions. So as you can see here, right at the bottom of each student card, alright, so we have placed three different buttons, which is accept, decline, and add private note. So if let's say if professor want to check her talks after a quick meeting, so she can just click the add private note to log a secure text entry for further reference. So we can just, let's say, we type interview on 5th August, and we can just save note. Yeah, that's all.
Good evening, doctor. My name is Benjamin. I'm from Group 2 and I'm part of the development team for the Nexscholar project. So I'll be covering Epic 4, which has 3 user stories, which we did. So the first one is US 401, which is achievement badges. So if you see here, there's the achievement uh, badges, which counts how many is unlocked and highlight the ones that the user has achieved, and doesn't highlight the one that hasn't achieved yet. So Epic 4 covers user engagement features, and this help give users a goal to strive for. The next is US 402, which is the personalized dashboard with activity. The user will have a personal dashboard which shows all the summary of their activities and profiles, as well as an activity streak here. This encourages user to log in every day. And lastly, we have US 403, which is push notifications for new grants. If you check the belt here, you can see all the new grants being pushed. The user can see more details by uh, pressing view grants and save if they want to participate in it, or else they can dismiss the grant and it will disappear from their notifications. So in conclusion, our prototype successfully demonstrated the main features completed during this sprint. The system is able to solve the stakeholders' problems by providing a more organized and user-friendly platform for users to access the required functions. Overall, this project helped our team improve our teamwork, communication, and problem-solving skills. We also learned how to divide tasks, complete user stories within the project charter, and present a working prototype clearly. For future improvements, we can enhance the interface design, improve system performance, add more validation, and conduct further testing to make the prototype more reliable and complete. Thank you.